Tone Ratcliffe here. The issue with a lot of these vibe coded apps is not necessarily the security vulnerabilities that can pop up later on down the line. The big issue really are a lot of what they call edge case bugs. And an edge case is just basically a possible scenario that can happen when a user is interacting with your application. And the thing you have to understand is if you're developing apps, you're going to get bugs. It's just how it works. Some bugs are worse than others. You know, some bugs can completely crash your app, can crash your server. It can create some serious issues. But the edge case bugs are that's the big one. Your vibe coding app, if you're vibe coding an app, you don't really know what you're doing. That's the big issue, are those edge case bugs, those possible scenarios that can happen when users are interacting with your app that can crash your application. So that's why when you're building an application, especially a large scale enterprise application, you have to know what you're doing. It's not just about, yes, you don't want to have any security vulnerabilities. Obviously that's a big deal, but you don't want to have bugs. You don't want to have a lot of bugs. Can you get away from that? You really can't. But that's the issue with vibe coded apps. It's a lot of people think they're developers, but they're really not. They're vibe coders. They're doing, yes, they might be able to create an application and deploy it to the cloud, and in the beginning they might not have any issues, but later on down the line something could happen. You're good month 1, you might be good, but in month 2, that's when you're up at 2 a.m. trying to get rid of bugs in your application, and you don't want that because you want to be sleeping at 2 o'clock. You really do, unless you're launching a startup, then that's a whole different video. But yes, it's important to know what you're doing. It's extremely important. Don't just build applications, deploy them to the cloud, and just think that just shipping a bunch of features, the more features I ship, the better, and then just everything's gonna be fine. No, you have to know what you're doing. This is Tone Ratcliffe. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe on this video, and I'll talk to you later.